Hello, good morning, children. Today I am going to explain question answer of lesson 7. First, fill in the blanks. Plants, animals, and human beings are collectively known as living beings. Second, amoeba is a dash organism. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Third, the process used by plants to synthesize their own food is known as photosynthesis. Fourth, all living organisms respond to various kind of dash that is stimuli. Next, dash are very small plant. Herbs are very small plants. Come on next, true and false for the following statement. B1. Amoeba is a plant. This is false. 2. Living organisms exhibit many variations due to their habitats and habits. This is true. Third, many non-living things can be molded in different forms or shape. दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. आप बुक्स को, कॉपीज को, रबर को आप कोई भी शेप या फॉर्म में दे सकते हो. सो दिस इज ट्रू. फोर्थ, ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स डाई. यस, ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स डाई. ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, लोटस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाइड्रोफाइट्स. यस, हाइड्रोफाइट्स आर दोज which live in water. Lotus is the good example. Next, invertebrates do not possess a backbone. Yes, vertebrates have backbone and invertebrates have no backbone. अब आइए, come on, C, tick the correct option. Which of these statement is true for plants? ये किसके लिए true है? आइए, first, non-green plants are autotrophic. Green plants are autotrophic. All plants are heterotrophic. All non-green plants are saprophytes. No. Answer is green plants are autotrophic. Next. Which of the following plants belongs to the category of shrubs? Not mango, not neem, not tulsi, but answer is rose. Next. Which one among these is not a flowering plant? Grasses have flower, rose have flower, mangoes have flower, but algae has not flower. So algae is the answer. Fourth, biennial plants are those plants which live for 2 years, many years, 3 years, 1 year, 2 years. Bi means 2. Next, all living organisms have bones. No. Feathers. No. Stems. No. Cells. Yes. Either they are plants or animals. All living organisms are made up of cells. So cells is the correct answer. Which of these is an invertebrates? कौन इसमें invertebrates है? Snail, cobra, sparrow, frog. Invertebrates which have no backbone. Snail has no backbone. So snail is the correct answer. Then come on, D. D1. Name any 3 important characteristics of living beings. So you have to write down 3 characteristics of living being. Living beings are made up of cells. Living beings grow. Living beings move. Living beings respire. So these are the answer. Write any 3 important characteristics. 9 characteristics are given in your book. You have to write down any 3 characteristics. State the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. तो आप क्या करोगे? जब भी आपका एग्जाम में डिफरेंस आए, यू मस्ट ड्रॉ द लाइन बिटवीन देम. और फिर एक तरफ आप ऑटोट्रॉफ्स लिखिए, दूसरी तरफ हेटरोट्रॉफ्स. फर्स्ट यू राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन एंड सेकेंड यू राइट डाउन द एग्जाम्पल. मैं इसको लिख करके आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे डाल दूँगी, आप उसको लिख लोगे. नेक्स्ट, give 2 examples of each of annual, biennial and perennial plants. आइए, annual, pea plant. 1 examples मांग रहा है. 2 examples. Pea plant, cabbage, cabbage, pea plants are the examples of annual. Biennial जो कि 2 seasons तक रहता है उसको कहते हैं biennial. तो biennial examples of biennial are that is carrot, that is radish. Carrot and radish are the examples of biennial. The next is perennial, which live for many years. Mango, apple, guava, these are the examples of perennial plants. Okay, thank you children.